How to delete your eBay account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can delete your eBay account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to delete our eBay account, all you have to do is first of all log into ebay.com and then make sure that you're signed into your account. And once you go to ebay.com and sign into your account, just make sure to click on the profile name from the top left hand side, as you can see, and then here you'll find a little button that says account settings, right? So just make sure to look for it carefully and then you'll find account settings. You just want to go to the account settings page. So once you come to account settings page, by default you'll already be under the account tab, where if you look on the right hand side under account preferences, you'll find the option that says close account, which you see right over here. So make sure to look for this option and then just click on the close account button. Once you click on the close account button, here you can simply read some of the details as to what will happen when you close your eBay account, what are some of the things that you're going to lose in this case. And then after you delete all of this and then read all of this data, scroll down to the very bottom and you'll find the blue button that is close account. All you have to do is just click on it. When you click on the close account button, right over here it will just ask you why you're leaving, so just select any of the reasons, and then after that you can simply go ahead and select the reason to delete your account and just select I want to close my eBay account, and then hit the submit button over here, and then your account will be successfully deleted. And that's all it takes to delete your eBay account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.